Welcome to this video on how to find a best mobile app development company in 2023, a full process. Hello, I am Hitendra, a founder of Digimonk Solutions. Digimonk Solutions is a mobile and web app development company. As you know, in today's world, mobile apps have become a crucial part of our daily lives. Whether you are looking to improve your business or bringing your idea to life, finding a right mobile app development company is a key. As a professional in the mobile app development industry, I have assisted numerous clients bringing their idea to life. From my experience, I have created a comprehensive list of important factors to consider when selecting a mobile app development company. The first point is evaluation. To select an app development company, it's important to evaluate their project management process and approach. Ask about their methodology for planning, executing, and delivering projects, and which tools they use to track progress and ensure that the deadlines are met. Make sure they have clear process for risk management and change control, and that they are transparent about cost and project timelines. Evaluating a company's approach will give you insight into their capabilities, help ensure a timely, budget-friendly, and high-quality app delivery. The second point is the confidentiality of your app idea. To protect your app idea, it's best to sign a non-disclosure agreement, it's NDA, with the app development company. The NDA will protect your app idea. If a company refuses to sign NDA, it's a red flag. So it's better to look for a different company. Point 3. Portfolio and experience. It's very important to review the past work of the company and the relevant experience about the app idea you are looking for. A strong portfolio can demonstrate a company's technical expertise and creativity and give you a sense of abilities and what they can deliver. Consider a company creating a similar apps like yours and with a proven track record of delivering a high quality work. Additionally, ask about their experience about latest technologies and how they stay updated with the industry advancements. With a strong portfolio and expertise, you feel confident that they have necessary skills and knowledge to deliver a high quality app that meets your expectation. The user interface and the user experience of your app are most critical for the app success. So it's important to choose an app development company that has a strong design capabilities and a proven track record of delivering a high quality UI UX and has a deep understanding of latest design principles and best practices for UI UX. Inquire about their design process, how they gather requirements, conduct a user research, and iterate on design concepts. Check if the company uses the latest design tools and technologies. If they have experience with the specific design needs of your app. Also check how they gather feedback from the users and incorporate into the design. Be sure to see examples of their work and ask about their design process, including how they collaborate with the clients to see that their design meets clients' expectations. With a strong focus on UI UX can help ensure that your app is not only functional but visually appealing and user-friendly. Point 5. Maintenance and support. It's important to choose an app development company that offers ongoing maintenance and support to ensure continued success of your app. Check if the company provides a continuous support and has a clear response time for addressing issues. Ensure that the company has a clear communication and a reporting process in place to keep you updated on the status of any issues. Ask about their process for resolving issues, including how they prioritize and manage the resolution of different issues. Clarify the cost of maintenance and services and also what is included in those services. Make sure the company is flexible and is ready to adapt the changes over the time. Remember, a good app development company will not only build a quality app but also provide an ongoing support and maintenance to help succeed in the long term. Point 6, quality assurance. It's called QA. So it's important to ensure that the company has a very strong quality assurance process in place. This includes thorough testing and validation of your app to ensure that it meets your expectations and is free from bugs and technical issues. Look for a company that has a robust testing process in place, including automated and manual testing, and that conducts regular quality checks throughout the development process. Additionally, ask about their process for addressing and fixing any issues that arise during testing and ensure that they have a clear plan in place to address those issues and deliver a bug-free and high-quality app. Point 7. Communication. Communication is very important factor. It's better to have a single point of contact in a company. So there are various ways to communicate with the company. Like you can have a Zoom call, you can use Slack, you can use Skype, you can have an email conversation, etc. You can agree on communication with using any tools. The other important thing is how frequent you will get the updates, whether it's a daily update or it's a weekly update. So we generally prefer to have a weekly update about your app or project. A weekly reporting schedule is often recommended. Point 8. App development cost. So after explaining your app idea, it's very easy for a company to get back to you with the estimated cost and timeline. From their estimate, you will know that if a company is good fit for your project or not. You can also compare their estimate or efforts with the other companies, and that way you can decide the best app development company for your app. These were some of the important points that you should keep in your mind while looking for an app development company. I hope this information helps you. If you want to start an app development for your business or you have any app idea, just click on below link to schedule a free consultation call with us. We look forward to assisting you and being a part of your success. Thank you.